So you would have just seen Machines Macchiatos little car meet there. Got our cars on display there, the Amrock and the 86. So that was pretty cool. Now we're going to our second car event of the day, which is Everything Electric Australia. So big claims on the website, biggest EV event and biggest EV test drive event in Australia. So let's see what we can drive. More of a crowd than I thought trying to get in. Did not expect this at all. We're in, straight into the Everything Electric. Let's go. Straight off the bat, iX1 BMW, followed by a Kia, and it continues for many halls down that way. So we're going to do an orientation lap and see what's what. This has definitely caught my eye. Bloody electric cruiser. Australian EBS, looks like the company to do the whole fit out. Here's the spec sheet. Toyota Land Cruiser in an EV. Stock standard 79 interior still. Original seats and all. But no more V8 or V6 under the hood. We've got it propped up on some Nitto tyres.
Yeah, this one's got a very large battery package. So that's one battery in front, that big box, and there's another. That's about a third of the most. So there's over 1 million of these cars in Australia.
So my guess will be all the batteries wedged under here, because this is where the spare wheel would normally be if you had the diesel petrol cruiser, but they've ripped it out and replaced it with some battery cells. All the room where if you were going off-road touring, where you'd put a water tank, all taken up with battery cells by the looks of it. Charge port at the back, so you can't option out a pull-out trundle tray on this version.
We don't mind.
So do you convert any others vehicles?
Yeah, we convert any vehicle, so
Any vehicle,
yeah. The old classic cars are a lot better for it, so you're all.
So yeah, this is the company. Apparently they convert any cars, mostly do classics. But yeah, wow. Did not expect to see this at the show. We'll keep moving on and see what else we find. We've got Talaria here with a big stand. These are like a Suron competitor, also a stealth bomber comparison too. They've got 3 of their models on display. So this is the TL 2500. It's the specs. So this model right here, top speed is 75 kilometers an hour. That's right in line with a Suron X, if you're aware of that, and also in line with about a 5,000 watt K5. So let's see what the next one is. So right here is the 5500. And as they keep going, they go up and up in price. And like the Surons, they've got a road going model, which I can't see on display here. And here's a breakdown. So these are the center drive motors and the big batteries that go with. Here we are, BYD. Right over here. This is exactly what I would come to say. This is the new Ute offering. It's the Shark 6 from Build Your Dreams. Dual cab spec. Tray out the rear here. Looks like it comes factory with a tub liner. Straight off the bat, I'm guessing this is about a 1500 long tray, similar to what you get in your Hilux and Amrocs out in the market already. But also looks wide enough to fit a pallet. Oh yeah, let's jump in the passenger seat of the Shark 6. Plenty of room. Big old shit off-road grab handle here. Got downhill descent there. Useful for off-roading. Traction control, good when you rip this around on the beach. Yeah, so nothing really too surprising in the front cab of the Shark here. Just kind of what you expect with a Ute these days. Let's check out the back seats. 3 seats in the back. Center armrest, cup holders. Got a couple of USB ports down on the floor and a 10 amp AC charger. With your 3-prong 10 amp outlet.
Friend of mine bought it.
Of course, we've come across Tesla at the show. Big name in this space. Everybody's heard of Tesla out there at this point. Looks like they're restricting you actually getting up and close. Big barrier. So you might have to actually sign up to get in and have a feel. Which is a bit different to what we've seen at all the other stands. Yeah, so the other day, you may have seen on our shorts, we got up and close with the Cybertruck, but not at this show. You got to line up to go and sit in it. Bit different to the test drive we're doing. But yeah. Very interesting move from Tesla here. Yeah, would have thought Tesla would have been free range, get up and close, but look at all this chaos. It's got to line up and all this stuff. So far, it's the only booth that I've seen that's doing this sort of model.
How well do you know Tesla?
Yeah, so I guess they want to get you right in with the salesperson while you're looking. But you know, just across the road, no lines, no nothing, just go up, sit in it, touch it, feel it. Straight over Tesla here. You gotta line up. It makes no sense to me. So, we got one of these from Tesla. This is way cooler than the cars that have been out for a while. You can actually get up and touch it, like fully touch it. Apparently it's set in a deep sleep state, so yeah, won't boot up for a while. Yeah, this is something I did not expect to see here. Oh yeah, here we go. Pulls up fairly good.
Yeah, a lot of
So level 0, no motor. How much of it? How heavy is it to ride? Oh, so it's got gearing. So it's got, like a bloody pushy, it's got your up and down gears, like a normal mountain bike. That's pretty good. This is level. Alright, what's that? Range. So we've got 33 kilometers left of range on the battery. Alright, so let's see what it does. Level 1. Oh, it takes off on level 1. Okay. Let's give it a whirl on level 2. I wish I had a speedo or something. There's no... Alright, level 2. Level 2. Woo. Brakes are pretty good. Alright. This time around, let's go for a 3. Apparently this is in complete unlock mode. So we're on 3 at the moment. Alright. Send on level 3 with pedaling. Pulls up pretty good.